I got this URL indexed with Google in a minute. I'll tell you how I did what I did, right? So this is my page, as you can see, and if I search here, it's still not indexed, of course, but I'll tell you what I did. Okay, this is not indexed, and look into the error. Page indexing is not done because of a redirect error. This happens because of three reasons. First one, your domain is redirected from http to http www dot whatever url.com, right? So that's one of the reason you have to handle that. And the second reason is there's multiple redirection happening to reach this page, right? And the third one is very simple. That is what I am going to explain now today. So come down and see what is the reason for redirection error. So I mean, basically the reason is redirection error, and why it's happening. Because Google is crawling this site using smartphone, right? This is a key. So you have to give a smartphone compatible URL to Google so that it can crawl. So this is not compatible for Google to crawl using smartphone. So Google will use different Google bots to traverse, and this time it has used smartphone. So because this URL is not compatible for smartphone, traverse, right? So how to solve this? So copy this URL, go here and say query parameter m is equal to 1. So this is mobile compatible or smartphone compatible URL. Search this, right? So this is indexed. I just submitted and within a minute it got indexed. See what I'll show you, right? What happened? So last crawl, so 15 minutes ago I just checked this, it was not indexed, and I tested the URL, it was working, and then I did request indexing. Within less than a minute this page got indexed, right? But that's not all. This is not the end of the story. The mobile site is indexed, but we need the desktop site to be indexed. So that is not indexed yet. As you can see here, if you remove this mobile, so this is not indexed yet. So I'm hoping that since the mobile site is indexed, at some point, maybe a week or two, this page also may get indexed. I'm hoping so. Let's see what happens. You can try this option. Thank you.